channel. As you guys can see, I lost my voice. I had a late weekend. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and thank you for stopping by. So today's video will be a makeup tutorial using my new palette that I purchased. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the palette. This palette is the Bperfect Cosmetic Stacey Marie palette. I love her. She's one of my favorite makeup artists. And this is how the palette look like. So I already did a video with this, but I didn't like how the outcome was, so I decided to record a new one. So I'm gonna do, in my mind I wanted to do a spotlight eyes, so I think that's what I'm gonna go for. This palette is a beautiful palette and you get to find very everyday color, vibrant color, shimmer and glow, and it also come with two highlighter from in the palette. The palette retail €43, but I paid 64 because I live in the US. I think she's based in the UK. Let's just get started. I did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm gonna prime my lid using my Maxilla Cover Up in NW40. I'm going to use Sky, and the brush I'm using is MORPHE E17. I started to use smaller brush to make sure that I pack on the color really good. And I'm going with a MORPHE 441 brush to slightly blend it. I'm going to use Wasted on my crease also, and the brush is 506. I'm just going to do one eye on camera and the next off camera. So I'm going to be cutting the crease part. You can use any concealer you like. So I'm gonna blend the end using all the color that I used in my crease. Use the NYX glitter primer to make sure that the colors stick in my lid, the shimmer color. Not that I'm saying they don't stick by themselves. I just like to do that and make sure that everything sticks by itself. Okay, I'm gonna finish this eyes off camera and I'm gonna be right back. I finished my eyes, this eyes off camera, and I end up adding a little bit of pigment on top of the blue. The pigment that I used was Mermaids from Bperfect Cosmetic online. So I think it makes it look more like there. The shimmer shade was already popping, but I wanted to be more popping. So I'm gonna do my face. My lashes is really bugging me. I'm going to use this Neutrogena mattifying primer. I'm going to use it on my T-zone area. I realized when I put it all over, it makes my face look too dry and cakey. Since I'm only oily in my nose area, like basically this part area, so I'm just going to add it there. Givenchy primer. I'm going to put it all over my face. Foundation, I'm going to use my Katvond foundation in Deep 78 Neutral. I used to love this foundation. I stopped using it for a while, but it's still one of my favorite foundation. It's very full coverage, so go very lightly with it. For concealer, I'm gonna highlight my under eyes using the Chestnut concealer in Toffee by lagirl. I'm gonna use this X Itsmyrayray palette to contour. I'm not a big fan of the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder, but I want to keep using it to see if I would like it. So this one is 35 Deep FoncÉ. I'm not a big fan of it. While I bake my under eyes, I'm gonna use all the color that I use in my crease on my bottom, but I'm gonna, on the bottom part, I'll start from dark to light. So I'm gonna use the purple and then I'm gonna use the light blue around it. I feel like it will make it look more vibrant. I'm gonna put some black liner, but I really wanted to put some white in the inner part. Let's see. I'm going to put the NYX white jumbo in the inner part because I wanted to open it up my eyes a little bit more. I'm gonna remove my powder, my excess powder, but I'm gonna dip my brush into my Sephora micro smoke powder. I'm gonna highlight. I'm going in the palette. I'm gonna use Pink Me. It's matte and also it has a little bit of reflect. And then I'm gonna use another color on top of it. Corner is a white color with pink reflect. As you guys can see, it looks pinkish, which I love. I'm gonna add Moony on top of it because I want it to be more vibrant. All coming up, but I just purchased this MORPHE setting spray recently in LA, so I went to the MORPHE store and I purchased a lot of stuff. I have a haul coming up right after this video, so you guys will see everything I pick up. The palette comes with highlighters, so I'm gonna use the center one. Let me show you guys. So the reason why I sprayed my face before I was done is because when I do it like that, it makes your highlighter pop more, in my opinion. I'm gonna line my lip with Cork lip liner from MAC Cosmetic. I'm gonna add a little bit of Chestnut lip liner on top of Cork. I'm gonna use Cookie Butter from NYX Cosmetic. Add this black Radiance gloss on top. And right now, I'm just gonna give you guys my final thought on the Carnival palette by Bperfect Cosmetic with Stacey. I think this palette is a must. You should have it. It's beautiful, it's colorful, it has everything you need in one, and it's very pigmented. Every color are very pigmented. There's no complaint I can say about this palette because this is my second look. The first one I didn't like it. I didn't like the footage, that's why I didn't put it up. but this is my second time using this, third time using this palette. I love it. I love every color. It does have a little fallout, but the thing is the colors are pigmented, so it's a like fallout and then it's a subculture moment with you. No, it's not a thing like that. It has fallout, but the colors are pigmented. The highlight should happen. I recommend you to spray your face or spray your brush before you use them, because my first look I used them without doing that. It wasn't that popping, to be honest. So I would recommend you to spray your face with your setting spray first or spray your brush. That's it. It's a little bit expensive if you live in the USA, because Euro money is higher than US money, but I think it's worth it. It's a palette you need in your makeup kit, because you have everything. If you have this palette, I don't think you need that much other color palette, to be honest with you, because it has nude, it has vibrant color, it has cool tone color, it has everything you need in one. So I love this palette, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. My hair look a mess, but see you guys on my next tutorial.